Hey everyone. Ever thought about, turning those doodles of yours into some serious cash? Or maybe, just maybe, you're curious about how AI is shaking up the whole creative scene.
Well, get this.
We've got this free tool, right, from Google called AutoDraw. And this thing can help you make some seriously impressive designs.
Yeah.
Even if, you can't draw a straight line to save your life.
Seriously.
And that's what we're diving into today, folks. It's AutoDraw time. And guess what? It's got some surprising money-making potential. No joke.
What's really cool about AutoDraw, what really fascinates me is how it takes all the complexity out of design.
Yeah.
It's like having this virtual assistant right there beside you that can transform your roughest, messiest sketches into polished artwork.
Oh, wow.
Boom. Just like that. And this opens up a whole world of possibilities, especially for people who aren't professional designers.
So anyone can do this. All right, so let's get down to business. Our sources, they've highlighted 5 key ways people are actually making money with AutoDraw. We're talking digital art, logos, even educational materials.
Yep.
Custom merch.
Oh, Etsy.
That online marketplace specifically for handmade and digital crafts. Our sources, they even mention a user, get this, who made $500 a month selling custom planner stickers for nurses on Etsy.
Wow.
That's the power of targeting a specific audience.
Absolutely. Yeah, and the market for digital products, it's booming, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because people love that instant gratification and the ability to customize, to really make it their own.
Yeah, I want this, but can you change this and this?
Exactly. Basically, yeah, there's this shape recognition feature. You can just sketch a rough idea and then it suggests polished shapes for you.
Oh wow.
And that saves you hours of work. And then there's platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and they connect freelancers with potential clients, so it makes it easy to find work.
So you're saying, even if you're using this simple tool, you should still be professional about it?
Oh, for sure. Even though AutoDraw, it makes design easier, you still need to treat it like a business.
Right.
Clear communication with clients, setting realistic expectations, and for visually engaging educational resources,
Yeah.
Especially those tailored to different learning styles.
Makes sense.
And you've got platforms like, Teachers Pay Teachers.
Right.
And Gumroad. And they're specifically designed for selling these types of materials.
Wow. I never would have thought of that.
Yeah.
What kind of subjects or topics work well for this kind of thing?
Oh, the sky's the limit. You can create visual aids for anything, really. Math, science, history, language arts.
Oh, wow.
You name it. The key is to really understand the curriculum needs and make learning fun.
Right.
And some creators, all right.
T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, seeing your AutoDraw designs come to life on physical products.
I know.
That must be so cool.
It really is. And with print-on-demand services like Redbubble, Zazzle, and Printful,
Oh, yeah.
you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a customer orders a shirt with your design. The platform, they print it and ship it directly to them.
Oh, wow.
And you get a cut of the sale.
So it's a way to generate passive income.
AutoDraw.
Okay, yeah.
And then offering them as print-on-demand merchandise.
Oh.
The possibilities, they're endless.
So what does this all mean for you, dear listener? It means that with a little creativity, a little tech savvy, you can turn your doodles into dollars.
Couldn't agree more. It really makes me wonder, beyond the ideas we've discussed, what other creative ways could you use AutoDraw to generate income?
Yeah, what problems could you solve?
What unique needs could you fill? I encourage you, go explore AutoDraw. Let your imagination run wild and see where it takes you.
This is exciting stuff.
I know.
Who knew you could make money from doodling?
Right? Crazy.
Thanks for listening, everybody, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.